Have you ever really thought about living life on your terms? It is said that the average person dies by the age of 25 and waits for the grave to catch up. Many people haven't because the idea is not on the radar for most. Most people follow what is considered normal and end up where everyone else does. The Department of Human Services say that by the age of 65, 95% of people are financially broke. 4% break even and 1% are financially well off. The 95% are the normal people. The normal people don't even consider that they can create life on their terms. They believe that life simply happens to them, so they live the same day over and over again. This doesn't have to be the case. You can define your own schedule and take control of your time so you can create a life you love. Living on your terms, it is a mindset. That's what the principles of comedic-centered living are about. It is about you learning the power of your own mind through ancient principles with modern science to back it up. We have the classes and courses that will give the foundation for gaining the confidence to develop a mindset to live life on your terms. Through our classes and courses, you'll learn the tools to gain clarity on your goals and create daily habits that will help you take action. You'll also have access to daily challenges where we can help you stay focused and accountable when it comes to practicing the tools and achieving success in all areas of your life. If you're feeling stuck, let us help you take the first step. Sign up for our community today and gain the mentality you will need to start living life on your terms. You deserve to create a life that is meaningful and fulfilling, and it starts with taking back control of your time. Join us today and become one of our members. Say no to fear, negativity, and hate, and hello to living life boldly and on your terms. Studies show that we are the average of the 5 people that we hang around the most. Are the 5 people you hang around positive and with an attitude that they can create anything they desire? Or are they dead on the inside and waiting for the grave to catch up? Go to kclcommunity.com and get connected to people that will help you live life to the fullest. Cheer you on and uplift you. That's who we are at KCL. Live life on your terms.